Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class we are going to draw float chamber. Okay, what is it? Float chamber. So this way, that's it. Okay, select the circle and concentrate this point with axis point, because you know why we are concentrating. Diameter is 19 mm. Okay, and X the workbench, its height is 19 mm. Its diameter and its height both are same. Now let's select this plane. Okay, now let's select the rectangular shape and make it constant first of all. Yes, and its height is 25 and its width is 16 mm. Oh, sorry. Yes, we are done. Let's use the workbench and give the thickness of this. It is 1 mm. Review. Okay, and give the chamfer. Before that we need to make a small part here. Select. What is the diameter? It is 5 mm. Axis is 5 mm diameter. Okay, and its height is 4 mm. 4 mm. Okay, and here we need a corner, and its diameter is 8 mm. Okay, and here I need to make a hole, and its diameter is 5.3. Review. Okay, and this is the part, guys, final part. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATECH Tutorials. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video.